Hi, I'm Aimee from Syngenta with Demand Duo quick tips for fleas. Fleas are one of the most hated of all pests. Just talking about them makes me itchy. To get the best results for any flea treatment, before application, you need to remove all pets and clean and vacuum any infested areas. And remember to dispose of any waste to prevent reinfestation. Then spray Demand Duo to all known flea harborages. With its unique ZC formulation, you'll get a fast knockdown with a long-lasting residual control. Also, be sure to treat areas like kennels and do the perimeters around structures to further reduce any breeding activity indoors. So, those are my quick tips for controlling fleas with Demand Duo. For more information, remember you can go to our website or call our friendly customer service team. Demand Duo hits hard and goes the distance.